Actually, when you're watching this, it probably will be my birthday, so hey! But hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I will be unboxing my mystery bag from Huda Beauty. I got the $79 one. I know there was a lower option. I think it was like $49 and you got like one or two less items. So I've seen these being opened all across YouTube, and I'm really excited to share with you what's in mine and what I got. So if you're excited to see what I got in my Huda Beauty mystery bundle, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we'll get right into it. Alright guys, so I know I have been away for a little bit. I've been doing some homeschooling with my kids and working at home, just a lot of hoopla, but I am back to filming and doing what I love and doing what I need to. I have so many boxes of things that I need to get out. But a few things have changed. One, my background has changed for sure. I got this shelf over here for Mother's Day and it has like all my hair care on it, my perfume, etc. Maybe I'll do like a room tour eventually once I have everything settled. It's not very big of a room, like it seems that way, but it's really not. But I also have nothing over here right now. I'm trying to figure out what I want over there. I don't know if I want lights back there. I don't know if I want color. I don't know if I want plants. I just really haven't decided, so I just put my board back there that I also got for Mother's Day. And if you guys have any ideas for decor for this space right here, then go ahead and comment and let me know below. I would love ideas because I'm just kind of like blanked out at the time. So I just want to let you know that's why it looks different, because it is, obviously. Hello. But also a couple of things not to mention, my nails. I know that they are atrocious. Nail places are still not open up in my area. I cannot get my brows done. I cannot get my nails done. It's just the way that it is. So we have to settle for what we got. Okay, so I pulled it back up because I couldn't remember. I did get it in the beginning of this month and I couldn't remember what was in it. So it was $89 and I got it's a 7-piece mystery bundle. It's supposed to be like over 50% in savings. It was only up for 48 hours. It includes 6 full-size products and 1 exclusive beauty tote bag. Okay, so the bag is one of the 7 items. So psych, you don't get 7 items, you get 6 items in a bag that you may or may not want. But it says it may include products for eyes, lips, and face, limited quantities. Get it before it's gone forever. Okay, cool. So $89, and I think the smaller one was cheaper. I think it was like $49, I don't remember. So here, now I have seen a couple of them. I've only watched 1 or 2 and they were of the smaller bundles being unboxed. So I haven't really seen any of the big ones yet. It could be that I just haven't clicked on it, whatever, because I didn't want to spoil it, and I didn't get both of them because I didn't want to get double products, because you know how like some companies, they do mystery boxes but it's like the same thing. It's just if you get the bigger one you get a couple added on, but like you get the same base stuff. So I didn't want to do that, so I only got 1. So this says Huda Beauty mystery bundle. Thanks for grabbing a mystery bundle, gorgeous. Because we hope you found some new favorites you'll want to stock up on. Enjoy 50% off, ooh, of your next order. Okay, cool. And this is a whole list of what's up in here. Okay, cool. All right, so here it is when you open it. So you get the bag. We're gonna pull it out, and the bag is empty. Okay, so I thought you were gonna be able to, like, it comes in a bag. The 2 that I saw, their products were in the bag, so I don't know if they, like, before they filmed it, put it in the bag, but mine was just folded up neatly on top of the products. So that's kind of a bummer, because I wanted to do, like, a reach in the bag. You know what I mean? That's so stupid, but whatever. So the tote is apparently retail for $10.10. It's a canvas bag. It's okay. It's okay quality. I don't think I'd ever pay $10 for it, but you know, to each their own. So inside you get a Yo Glow sample, which I actually own this product itself. So I'm gonna put this in the sample in the giveaway box that I am slowly growing, which I believe I will be announcing like how to enter within the next week or so. So stay tuned. I just want it to be like a big giveaway. So I've been like growing pieces and pieces. So the next thing I pull out in here is the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So I don't know if this is a primer. I've actually never seen this before, but I cannot do really anything matte. If I'm going to do matte foundation, it has to be over top of a very hydrating base. And this one retails for $32. So that's pretty cool. But I'm also going to put this in my giveaway that I'm creating because I will not use this. Ooh, so the next two things I see in here, it looks like it's the Demi matte lipsticks, and we have Passionista and Chica. So these are really pretty, and I will take them out and swatch them for you. But I have one of these, and I don't remember what color it's in, but I don't like the formula per se of these lipsticks because it's not like a liquid lipstick, it's not like a lip gloss, but it's like they had a baby, and I just am not a fan. All right, so I finally got it open. All right, so this is the Passionista one. It's a very beautiful color. So the formula to me is just kind of weird. It's honestly just like a weird formula. I don't know. It smells really good. I don't know if it was just mine, the one that I had, but to me, I don't feel like it dried down at all. And when I think Demi matte, in my head, I guess I almost think satin. So I think that it's gonna dry down and be like kind of matte, but this doesn't dry down. At least mine that I got when they first launched did not. I think I'm thinking like semi-matte, which is by Huda Beauty. I know that Manny has semi-mattes in his. So it's like they're matte and they dry, but they're not drying. Where this one, I don't feel like it dries down at all. It's more of like a lacquer or whatever that word is. It's a thick lip gloss. So this is the Chica. And this is probably going to be one that I wear the most. Like, I love this color. But they don't dry down in any form. So I'm going to leave them on here for the rest of the video just to kind of see what happens. And we'll go from there. So these retail for $20 a piece. Okay. And trash. Alright, so the next thing I have in here is a Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. So I only have one of her small palettes, and it's the neon one, and I absolutely love it. So it comes with a little mirror, and it's just like a little 9-pan eyeshadow, and look at those greens. Oh my gosh, that is so stunning. So I'm really a huge fan of Huda's shimmers. Just because like her formula of her shimmers are to die for. It's just a different kind of shimmer. So we have, this is a matte, and then we have a shimmer, and then another shimmer, and then this one is more like a glittery topper. So those are really pretty. This one is my favorite. It's like the emerald green of the shimmer. And I love this palette because it's my birthstone and it's almost my birthday. Actually, when you're watching this, it probably will be my birthday. So hey, it's a beautiful palette and it cost $27. So the next thing I have is another Obsessions palette, and this one is in the shade Ruby. So it just has a bunch of reds in it. Ooh. I just opened this one and I think this is a really pretty like color scheme. So these, ooh, okay. This one and this one I am living for. So those are pretty. So you do have like some gold and a peachy color and some maroon. So it's like in the red family, like that brown one. I know it looks brown, but when you turn it, it definitely has like red gold reflex in it. So I'm completely obsessed that she gave us 2 palettes. What? And this one was also $27. So it looks like one more thing in here, and I'm so excited. And let me tell you what, I was so excited to see like different videos of people opening, and then they were opening the smaller one, and the ones that I saw was like the Desert Dust palette, but I have that one, so I have all of them. I have the New Nudes, the Retrograde, and the Desert Dust. The only one I'm missing is the Rose Gold palette. I'm so excited. So this is the Rose Gold palette remastered, because the first one that came out was not their best product. So they went ahead and reformulated it and made it way better, and now I have it in my collection and I didn't have to spend $65 on it. I'm so excited. Like, this is, you know how many times I was like, well, I'm gonna get it, and then I didn't get it, and then I'm like, I'm gonna get it, and then I'm like, I'm not gonna get it. Just $65 on a palette is just so much money that you just have to like take yourself back and go like, who do you think you are? But it's so stunning. Like, just look at the palette. Wait till I open it. Wait. She's gorgeous. So here's the covering. Ooh, are you ready? Are we ready? Da, 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 da. Woo. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So you have a ton of shimmers, some duochromes, these beautiful mattes, beautiful, like they're just so pretty. Look at this gold. Like, wait till I swatch that, baby. I'm definitely swatching that one. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of these. I'm so obsessed. Doll face, definitely getting swatched. Oh my gosh. Trust Fund, for sure, getting swatched. Oh my gosh. 24 karat. You knew I was watching that one. I told you I was watching that one. Oh, look at that. What? That's so pretty. Oh my god. So this one is Dubai. Ooh. And this one is Maneater. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I'm so excited to play around with this. Like I said, I have all of her other palettes, so I'm glad because now I have all of these babies. So now I have the Rose Gold Remastered, okay, the Desert Dusk, which is one of my favorite, the New Nudes, which is my daughter's favorite because I barely use this one, and the Mercury Retrograde. So I'm so excited. That is probably my favorite item out of this entire bundle. So let's go for my final thoughts. So the total of my box was $201.10, including the bag. I'll probably put the bag in a giveaway just because I know that I won't use it, but that doesn't mean someone else won't. My favorite product was the bigger palette, the Rose Gold Remastered palette. I love that I finally have all of the palettes, and this was $65, and that's almost the price I paid for the whole box, so I was really excited. So these are still extremely wet. I just wanted to show you that. So that's what I'm talking about. They don't really dry down very much. It's almost like a thick gloss, but like I said, I just wish that it would have been maybe a different formula of lipsticks that I would actually use more often. I'm really excited about these as well. I like that she has these smaller options for people who don't want super huge palettes or they want to kind of just dip their toe in the water. The matte part, I can just give that away in a giveaway. That's no big deal. But for $89, I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, 2 lipsticks, and a primer. That is bomb, and I don't think that it's a bad price. I paid $89 and that ain't bad for $200 and some worth of product. So would I do it again? For sure. Am I glad that I did not get the mini one too? Yes, because I believe these were in the mini one as well. If you guys got it, let me know down below what you got. Did you get the bigger package? Did you get the smaller one? Did you get both? And then just let me know what your favorite part was out of the bundle. And as always, guys, I will see you on the next one. I love you and have a great week. Bye.